Did you know the average family literally throws $1,500 into the trash every year? It's the price of our daily habits. Watch until the end to learn how to turn these losses into your first million. Subscribe and comment which habit is the hardest for you. Most people look for secret, get-rich-quick schemes or crypto moons. But real wealth is built on boring, unsexy, and outdated habits. It's not about looking rich on Instagram. It's about actually being wealthy in real life. First habit: drive your old car longer than feels comfortable. A new car loses 20% of its value the moment it leaves the lot. That's thousands of dollars evaporating into thin air in just minutes. Studies show real millionaires often choose reliable brands like Toyota or Honda instead of luxury names. A 5-year-old Toyota Camry has already passed its peak depreciation and will serve you for years without expensive repairs. The average new car payment is now over $700 a month. If you drive your used car and invest that money at 8%, in 15 years, you'll have $170,000. Second habit: meal rotation. Having 5 basic meals that you cook every week makes your grocery spending predictable. You know exactly what your shopping cart costs every single time. When you buy the same things, you stop wasting food. The average person throws away over 300 pounds of food a year. That's your money rotting in the fridge because you bought something just in case. Third habit: empty your supplies. Once a month, do a clean-out week. Don't buy anything until your freezer and pantry are empty. This simple trick saves up to 20% of your budget. Fourth habit: make your own drinks. A coffee shop cup costs $6. At home, it's 50 cents. This difference seems small, but over 30 years, it turns into $220,000. Remember the rule: every $27 you spend daily on snacks or energy drinks adds up to $10,000 a year. These invisible leaks are the main enemies of your capital. Fifth habit: bring your food everywhere. A cafe lunch is $15. Homemade is $4. That's $3,000 a year. This isn't about being cheap. It's about funding your future travels. When traveling, go to the grocery store immediately for breakfasts and snacks. Eat at a restaurant once for the experience, but not 3 times a day. You'll save hundreds of dollars in a single week. Sixth habit: buy in person, not online. Online stores removed all barriers between you and your money. Algorithms know how to make you spend 30% more. Bring back the physical effort. Walking through aisles and standing in line creates time to think. Is this item really worth my labor? Inconvenience is your natural filter against impulse buys. Delete your saved cards from websites. Seventh habit: build a capsule wardrobe and stop constant shopping. The average person spends $2,000 a year on clothes they rarely wear. Build a wardrobe of high-quality basics that all match. Being the person who always wears the same thing is a millionaire strategy. It frees your brain from useless decisions and your wallet from waste. Quality over quantity. Choose things that last years, not seasons. Eighth habit: pay yourself first. Treat your savings like a mandatory bill. Most people wait until the end of the month to save what's left, but usually nothing is left. Reverse the system. Set up an automatic transfer on payday. Money should go to investments before you even see it in your spending account. Your mind will adjust to the remaining balance without stress. Ninth habit: live 2 raises behind. When you get a promotion or a bonus, don't upgrade your apartment or car. Live as if you are still earning what you did 2 years ago. Even people with huge salaries live paycheck to paycheck because their expenses grow with their income. Delaying gratification isn't trendy, but it's the only path to financial independence. 10th habit: the 72-hour rule. Wait 3 days before any purchase over $100. If the urge is gone after 72 hours, it was an emotional impulse, not a real need. Let's do the math. Skipping a new car saves $8,000 a year. Home meals save $5,000. Home coffee saves $2,000. That's $15,000 every single year. If you keep $15,000 under a mattress for 25 years, you'll have $375,000. But if you invest it at 8%, the numbers become magical. Your $15,000 a year turns into over $1,200,000 in 25 years. 1 million. That is the price of these boring habits. That is the price of your freedom. Why isn't everyone a millionaire? Because most people choose the appearance of success over actual success. Buying a new iPhone on credit is easy. Staying disciplined is hard. Social media is a showroom of other people's consumption. You see the result, but not the debt behind it. Don't compare your beginning to someone else's fake middle. Statistics show the average person has more credit card debt than savings. Most people can't cover a $1,000 emergency. You don't want to be average. Many will work until they die, not because they love it, but because they never built anything that pays them while they sleep. They traded freedom for things that are now in a landfill. The choice isn't between enjoying life and being cheap. The choice is between instant gratification and the lasting peace of financial independence. What matters more to you? You don't have to change everything today. Start with one habit. Today, make coffee at home. Tomorrow, pack your lunch. Every dollar saved is a soldier in your battle for wealth. Learn to distinguish between want and need. We actually need very little to be happy. Most spending is an attempt to impress people we don't even know or like. In a year, you won't remember the coffee you didn't buy, but you will definitely notice $15,000 in your account. That confidence cannot be bought at a mall. While your money works, work on yourself. Read about finance, study the markets. The best investment is the one between your ears. Knowledge helps you earn and keep. Watch out for lifestyle inflation. Don't buy more expensive things just because you can now afford the payment. Keep your expenses low as long as possible. In 10 years, these boring habits turn you from someone who survives into someone who owns their time. You'll choose work based on interest, not the paycheck. First, you build habits, then habits build you. In a few months, it won't be a struggle. You'll just know, I don't waste money because I have a bigger goal. When you see results, share them with your loved ones. Financial literacy isn't taught in school, but it changes the destiny of entire generations. Be the example. Remember, $1 million isn't luck. It's thousands of small decisions made every day. Every no to a useless item today is a brick in your castle tomorrow. Now you have a plan. Don't wait until Monday. Your future self is already thanking you for deciding to change your financial life. Start right now. Which of these habits will you start first? Tell me in the comments. Like this video if it helped, and subscribe for more lessons on financial freedom. See you.